Oh, those dreaded robocalls. Have you found yourself in a position where your Grandstream phone is continuously ringing? Even after picking it up, it just doesn't seem to stop ringing. And when you do answer the phone, nobody seems to say anything. Well, unfortunately, it seems like you are being targeted by robocalls. The good thing about this, it's an extremely easy fix and only takes one step. Hi there, my name is Mary. I am the support specialist from VoIP Hubs LLC. We're VoIP service providers and we have a multitude of different plans ranging from $16 every month to $50 every month. In addition to that, we have our cloud-based hosted solution, which is $15 every month per extension. If you would like any additional information, please don't hesitate to visit www.voiphubs.com. You may click on the link in the description box below, or you may call our main number, which is 336-663-1333. Without further ado, let's get right into it. After accessing your Grandstream GUI, I am currently using a GXP 1780 for this example. Please go to Accounts. Pick the account that your extension is currently registered under or your number is currently registered under. Upon doing so, please click on SIP Settings and then click on Security Settings. By default, any Grandstream phone will have all of the security settings checked as no. But there is one main one that you need to focus on and enable, and that is the accept incoming SIP from proxy only. Please click yes, click save and apply, reboot your phone, and you will see that the robocalls have been stopped. And that is pretty much it. It's a pretty easy fix, and it will definitely ease any frustration you may have regarding this issue. This has been Mary from VoIP Hubs LLC. Please don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Leave this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have many more videos to come in the future to help you with anything VoIP related. Thank you, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.